The length of fish in a fish farm are normally distributed with a mean of 40 centimetres and a standard deviation of 5 centimetres. If I catch 10 fish, what is the 90% confidence interval for the mean length of my fish? And we're going to do the same for a 95% interval and a 99% interval. Note that the sample size here in each case is going to be 10, which doesn't really matter because the original distribution is normally distributed. Some preliminary work here. We're going to have that X bar is normally distributed with a mean of 40 and a standard deviation of s squared over 10. So that is 5 squared over 10. That means that the standard deviation is 5 over root 10, which we could write as 5 over root 5 root 2, which is root 5 on root 2, which is root 10 on 2. And we'll use that throughout the question. So the Z90 value is 1.64485. We can find that using our calculator. So let's bring the calculator in. I usually go to the activities and do the Z-score for CI, and if I put in here, notice the 0.99 value is there at the moment, but I'm doing 0.9 at the moment, and just solve, and there it is. So that is the value, and then our interval is 40 take away 1.64485 times root 10 on 2, and 40 plus 1.64485 times root 10 on 2, and if we calculate that, it gives us 37.399 and 42.601. Now we can do that using an e-activity. There's one here called confidence interval for mean. If we go in there, go up to the top, in actual fact I've got this one in there. Mean is 40, standard deviation is 5. Notice that we just put in this one here. We don't worry about the n with that value because the n comes next. That's a 10, 0.9, and I think I've already run this one once, and there it is down there. Okay, so let's move to the next one, and we just need to change the Z value to the Z95 value. So we have 40 take away 1.95996 times root 10 on 2, and 40 plus 1.95996 times root 10 on 2, and that gives us 36.901 and 43.099. And then for 99%, all you do is change the value again. So it's going to be 40 take away 2.57583 times root 10 on 2. And then we've got 40 plus 2.57583 times root 10 on 2. And that will give us 35.927 and 44.072.